But with a knockout product, let's say like Polynovo, that got funded first of all for the first 2 or 3 raises, by me through the Australian marketplace and through fund managers. So that now I would have, I don't even know, 60 fund managers from Australia on the register, and I've probably got another 40 from overseas. Now it helps when you get in the index, because when you get in the index, there's a lot of funds around the place that need to buy into your stock. So I have a group, for example, in Greenland that I've never even heard of, never even met, who have got 500,000 shares that they bought at $2.50 because I was in the index. They just have to look at the index worldwide and back that. So I think that's one big difference is the depth of market. But you can't then take that on to talk about how innovative Australia is versus not. Okay, to the extent that you can get funding easier from knowledgeable investors in the US, sure, that might affect innovation, but it's a worldwide market. So if I've got something here that does pap smears or IVF or ears or whatever, brain or whatever, there are people in the US you'd go to if you couldn't get it done here, But when you think about Australia and the level of innovation here, you can't be but anything but proud of what we've actually achieved, especially in some of these tech areas. So, okay, I'll come to tech in a moment, but if you just look where I am in pharmaceuticals, and so there's a dozen companies that are worth more than $5 billion, and I'm talking about ResMed, I'm talking about Cochlear, I'm talking about Pro Medicus, I'm talking, et cetera, et cetera. And my little, Polynovo over here at 1.5 billion, it'll be there as well. Telex, radio pharmaceuticals and so forth. I mean, we're punching way above our weight in cancer and radio pharma, with people like Clarity, Telex, radio pharma, the US are just getting onto this. So we've been unbelievably successful in MedTech and in pharmaceuticals. And people keep trumpeting about how Israel's the best and so on and so forth. Well, they're unbelievable, but we're not too far behind. And we're only a small country,